Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in a Nissan 370Z. These convenient shifters provide a manual gear control experience, allowing you to take charge of your driving. You will find them mounted directly behind the steering wheel, making them easily accessible. The left paddle is for downshifting, while the right paddle is for upshifting, giving you precise control over your vehicle's gears. Knowing when to engage manual mode with your paddle shifters can significantly enhance your driving. They are particularly useful for spirited driving, especially on winding roads where precise gear selection is key. Remember to downshift before entering a corner. This helps maintain optimal engine revolutions per minute and power delivery. Conversely, upshift after accelerating to maximize both fuel efficiency and overall speed. Mastering the proper technique for using your paddle shifters is straightforward. To downshift, simply pull the left paddle towards you. This action will increase your engine's revolutions. When you need to upshift, pull the right paddle, which will decrease the engine's revolutions. Always aim for smooth, deliberate shifts to ensure a comfortable ride and prevent any jarring movements for both you and your passengers. Utilizing paddle shifters offers several benefits, primarily providing enhanced control and a more connected, engaging driving feel. To truly master them, practice in a safe, open environment where you can build confidence and refine your shifting skills. It is also good to know that if you leave the paddle shifters untouched for a period, the Nissan 370Z's automatic transmission will seamlessly revert to its automatic mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.